Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix Valorant error code VAN79. So this only means that the Riot Vanguard is failing to start or connect properly. So to fix it immediately, what you want to do is to open up the Windows Services app. Simply search for services in your Windows search function. And from here, you then want to look for VGC. And in here, as of right now, it is set to manual. So what you want to do is to just click property. So instead of manual, you want to select automatic, click apply, click OK. And then next, you want to simply search for the command prompt, run as administrator. And then you want to simply go ahead and type the following command. Hit enter. And then you want to follow up with ivconfig -flush DNS, restart your computer, and from there you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.